Yo, what's up, guys? Ready to rock and roll? I just saw Apex posted that Ninja Trader has upped margin requirements 2 by 2. So things are a little bit gonna get a little bit stricter. I remember last time I saw something like this was during the COVID days, where margin requirements were doubled, and it was sometimes super difficult. I remember times not even being able to trade the ES, which is what I used to trade back then. A beast, Jeff, what's going on? All right, guys, let me go ahead and post over on the Discord that we're live. Put on the Twitter, well, X. Let everybody know. Come on over and hang out. Yo, the Beast, what's up, man? You're just having breakfast? Oh, man. Guys, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. Remember, helps out tremendously with the algorithm. And it seems like the algorithm has welcomed me back into its fold if you've noticed my view count lately. Man, it took a while to get that one to like me again. Oh yeah, you're gonna get a lot of snow over there, Jeff? Yes, the Beast, exactly. I did. I did. Oh man, I've been joking about it with my buddy all week, man. We watched that the show, you remember that old show Vikings? I'm like I'm like the algorithm has sent its Valkyries to welcome me to the Great Hall. Yes, bro. That show was freaking awesome. Vikings. Yo, Big Vala, what's up, bro? Golly, it's been a while, man, since I seen you out here. Happy to see you, man. Yo, Fungus TTV. What's up, my man? Goldman's finest. I love it. I didn't trade today, guys. I didn't trade this morning. I actually shot a video, edited it. I edited it myself this time. And it'll be live tomorrow on YouTube on the channel. And I shot down to the keys, made sure the boat's nice and secure, snug. Came back over here, took a quick shower, and then jumped on the live stream. Kissed my kid good night now. Want to trade. I want to trade. Not sure what I'm going to trade just yet. Well, I'm definitely going to trade NQ if I do trade. See, we're whipping around some. Let's see, what do we got here, guys? Let's go take a quick peek here. We got Donald Trump leading 101 to 52. Still really early. Looks like he's going to take Georgia. That's a swing state. Looks like he's going to take that one. Illinois looking blue so far. Not surprising at all there. PA, that'd be a nice win, but it's not looking like it's going to happen. So far, so good. Still got a long night ahead here, though. At Dow's jump up 300 points. Russell 2000. Futures gain as traders monitor election results. So we'll be watching that. And if we switch on over here, boom, you can see how we've moved around. We got the NQs kind of setting a stick into that 2323 area and then bounce right off that level, about 100 points. Honestly, that's a 100-point bounce in about 1 hour's time, 30 minutes to an hour's time. It has been, brother. It's been a while. Yeah. Trading well. Totally turned it around from July. Yeah, we talked back in June.
My dream is that
nice,
every
man.
child, I don't care the color of their skin, their religion,
Glad to hear that.
where they were born.
Hold on, let me quiet this. I don't know what's going on there in the background. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings each and every day. Yeah, bro, I'm super stoked. Really happy to hear that, man. I remember we talked in June. You were, hitting some speed bumps there. Glad to see you turned it around, man. What are you trading now? You still trading the smallies, or what are you trading? Oh yeah, you're trading the small cap still. Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Glad to see you're doing well with them. They were on fire recently. I haven't traded any of them in a while. Um, I don't think I've traded a small cap in a few years now. Honestly, yeah, I haven't probably traded a small cap at least in 2 years, at least. Glad to see you killing it on them, man. That's awesome. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, I've just been trading the futures, bro. I've been trading. I mean, I've traded some stocks here and there, especially on swing trades with options like Tesla, Nvidia. But as far as day trading goes, I've just been day trading futures, guys. That 2380 area has been holding pretty well. A little bit of daily levels in there too, mixed in with that 2030 or that 2380 area. Watch that zone. If that zone continues to hold support, you could see some bounces off there. Could get 10, 20 points rather easily on NQ there if that level holds. If it breaks down, then maybe we see a dump to 2360. Yeah, yeah, Bebala. I was trading futures way back when COVID. That's when I started trading futures. And then when we launched the daytraderchatroom.com, I took a step back from futures and I started trading small caps and options just to appease the audience and the customers at that time, all the students. But ever since we changed that and we just left it as courses versus an actual uh, trading room where I was alerting, I've gone back to futures. You can't alert these futures plays in the way I trade them in time. There's no way, because I could be like not during the nighttime like this when it's moving slower. Yes, because I could say all day long, I'm gonna get long here at 390, stop under 380, and that's look how long it's not moving. But during the morning, bro, yeah, right. During the morning, forget about it. Yeah, Jeff, it's on 3 minute. Here, I'll switch over to it again. That's 3 minute right here. This is the ES 15 minute, the ES daily, and then NQ 3 minute. Yeah, I like futures, bro. I really do. Just one instrument every day in and out. No hunting around for news other than just watching the macro news. Yo, Bill. Gotcha. Roger that, man. So, look, there you go, guys. It's still holding that 2380 area. If it breaks back up over 400, it should make a push towards 420. Um, During the nighttime session like this, when I do trade it, I think I took a few trades. I think it was last week or the week before. I don't remember. I posted it on social media. I don't do that. I got like I won't buy a 400 breakout or anything like that. I like to buy the pullbacks or I like to short the bounces. A lot like I do during the day, but I just won't mix in any of that breakout type trades either, which I do sometimes mix in the daytime. So like I'd wait for a nice little pullback that I could buy or something like that if I'm looking for a bounce. Yeah, same super crispy. Same thing. I would love nothing more than a huge dump fest. Bring on the blood. I trade better when it's like that, anyways. I just become a big old bear, but we haven't been getting it not very easily at all. Opening my TC 2000 here. Yeah, look. As a matter of fact, this morning I drew this little flag right here on. Oh, it's frozen. No, my chart frozen. Whatever. I drew this little flag here and in anticipation of maybe seeing a bear flag development. And look at this. Today, during the day, we broke well above it. Why is it frozen? Man, that thing is super frozen. I'm gonna have to go into task manager and all that crap. Come on. All right. There we go. This is chop right now. The move was a little earlier. It was, but there's still opportunity. Absolutely. And wait until the night progresses. I'm sure there's going to be major overnight moves. And let us not forget, we got the Fed meetings coming up. Big Bala says, Jesse, we all know you're not going to do a Cameron with 10,000 shares for the break of 5. Definitely not, man. That's not happening. Oh, man. That was good. All right, let's go back to the charts. Take a look at the ES. The ES shine away from 58.54 all the way back down to 58.40 zone. It's a 15-minute chart. We've broken underneath the previous 15-minute candle. You got room here to fall at least to not much more room, actually. Like the mid 30s. You're already the high 30s. Not a whole lot room. If it breaks underneath that, then yeah, then I'd say you got room to fall there to 58.20s. That's on the ES. NQ is actually faring a little bit better right now. It's just trading sideways, consolidating. What time is it? It's going to be 9 here in about 10 minutes. Are you guys trading tonight or just kind of chilling? There we go. I don't know what happened there. The internet was acting up really bad. Thank God I wasn't in a trade. Thank God I wasn't in a trade. Really weird. I'm gonna make sure to put a hard stop if I do get into a trade. I was dealing with this here because we got the keys under tropical storm warning. So hurricane looks like it's gonna miss us, but I was kind of concerned that if overnight, if overnight there's any weird upside moves and you get the hurricane up here, out of nowhere. So wanted to make sure everything was secured. So that's what I was dealing with. Nice, Jeff. Heck yeah, man. Fungus Trading. Jeff made a quick $100. That's what's up. Super Crispy says, I'm trading. Don't know why, though. I guess because it's my first election with futures. There you go, man. I mean, why not, right? Just manage risk. That's all. Damn, I should have gotten along there at that 380 area that I was talking about. We just got a nice little quick 10-point bounce off of it. But that's when my freaking internet started acting up out of nowhere. Guys, tomorrow's video, I'm working on the thumbnail because I'm not too content with it. But tomorrow's video, you're going to like it a lot. It's something big that Apex is coming out with. I'm not sure when it's going to come out, when it's going to be on the market itself. But it's something they're working on, and I think it's going to be good. It's going to be pretty damn good. Pretty much, it's going to be an offering for that. For that super crispy, like an option that you can choose to go with instead of getting an eval. Oh, guys, and I don't know, it's not announced. It's not on their website yet. I don't even have it on social media. But before I went live today, I went ahead and purchased a couple of evaluations because I was like, you know what, just in case, I'll trade in the evals if I'm not going to trade in my funded accounts or in my private cash account. So I went ahead and I bought a couple of evals. The $250,000, the 150, 250, 300, etc. $1,000 evaluations are still $50. I bought a 250 and I got it for $50. And the $50,000 ones are still 32 bucks, 33 bucks or something like that. So like that 80% off is still active. They haven't, it's over, but they haven't taken it off the website. So you might want to take advantage of that. Here you go. Link is in chat just in case. I mean, why not take advantage of that, dude? Like I did the accounts haven't come up yet. I don't know, I guess, with the election and all that stuff, everything's a little bit slower right now. I did buy it just before I went on live. I knew I should have had done that. I should have bought it earlier today in preparation, but I didn't. So yeah, I think it's gonna be damn good. So I made a video that tomorrow will be on the channel, probably around 12 o'clock. I want to say. Damn man, I really regret not buying that 2380 zone, but that's when my internet took a dump. Look at that nice little bounce there. Already a 15-point bounce. Would have taken that all day. That'd have been a quick 300 bucks with just one lot. All right, let's see if any new numbers are in. We got 101 to 71. Still same. Florida is basically done. 93% reporting. Georgia, 63% reporting. Still leading. Michigan, only 8% reporting. North Carolina, 26% reporting. Philadelphia, 13% reporting. So still a long night ahead of us. Why is it so hot? Let me check my AC real quick, guys. It's so hot because I got all these damn lights on me. That's why it's so hot. All right. Ah, man, I can't believe I missed that bounce. God, that was such an easy trade. Look at that. Such an easy trade. Look at that, bro. Right to 400. Easiest 20 points of life. Well, hopefully we'll get a few more shots at something easy like that tonight. Wing, welcome to the Discord. Glad to have you on there. Yo, Big Balla, have a good one, man. It was good seeing you, brother. Take care, man. Jeff, up 140 bucks now. Another $40 into the pocket. Hell yeah, man. That's what's up. Congrats. Keep it up. It's all about managing risk, guys. That's why I'm not chasing this into 400. My entry there would have been in front of 80. I would have gotten myself like an 82, 83, 84. You know, I would have at least been able to have gotten 10 points out of it. At least.
In here because on this map too, Andrew, again, North Carolina, we kind of expected that to fall the way that it fell. New Hampshire, that's something I want to focus in on. That's
All right,
the
let's see what's
only
up.
real toss-up gubernatorial race that we were following. 32% of the votes counted so far, and Kelly Ayotte, the Republican, so far has exactly a 2-point lead over Joyce Craig. Looks like there's still a lot of ballots to be counted in that competitive gubernatorial race. We'll keep you posted. I think we have some props to get to.
Yeah, that's right. So we have now a resolution to the North Carolina gubernatorial contest that got so much attention with those bombshell reports about some of Mark Robinson's alleged online behavior. This is the election night watch party for Robinson's supporters here, Austin. So if we see any campaign.
Oh, same to you, Big Baller. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Same.
We'll bring this live as well. So that's a live.
Have a blessed
we have coming to us
last couple of months, my man. Any questions, you know, you can always reach out, bro.
We're expecting Senator-elect Andy Kim, the Democrat, to address his crowd of supporters.
My eyes are so dry.
But to your point, Austin, we got to get in some of these race calls in on these ballot proposals and ballot questions put to voters in several states on a lot of different issues, including and especially, though, in Florida. Remember, the issues of abortion and marijuana were put to voters there in the Sunshine State, and we have some calls to make on that. I want to put this up here. This is Florida Amendment 3, Austin, to legalize marijuana in the state. 91% of estimated votes counted, and this fails. Austin, you see there.
You know, and this is fascinating, Andrew. Every time a statewide measure relating to abortion has been put to the states, every single time, and it looks like our graphic is having some trouble there. We will say that we're not seeing exactly what we believe is happening there with that race. But if this measure were indeed to fail, we'd be talking about the first statewide abortion measure that would be shut down, and that would be notable. Every single time that this thing has been put to a state, the pro-abortion side has won out. Of course, the overturn of Roe is what returned the power of these types of decisions to each individual state. We will, of course, work to get that graphic updated. I think we had some other propositions to get to as well, Andrew.
Yes, Austin, of course, we're tracking Florida Amendment 4. Like you said, that's the abortion referendum there. But both, according to Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, both of these ballot questions have failed there in the state of Florida. Austin, you noted the higher than usual threshold that was.
All right. Back over here to the futures chart. And we just broke up over 400 briefly, pulling back a little bit now. Check in on the ES. That one was pulling back harder. Oh, look at that. Remember, we talked about this 36 zone holding, and there it is. It held. Had a really nice bounce. Remember, on the ES, each point move is a $50 variation on your PNL. All right, so we got more reports coming through here. You have 99 now here on Harris, 120 on Trump, Texas, New Mexico, Georgia, still North Carolina. We still haven't. Ohio still hasn't fully come in. Neither has Kansas, Missouri, Michigan, Philadelphia. Let me see here. 3D Print Labs over at the Discord. $950. Hell yeah. Nice job. Congrats on that green, my man. Yeah, so the ES popped right off that 36 zone, right back into the 40s. NQ still trading sideways. Nice little channel here. You have clear cut 380 support and 424 resistance on that one. There you go, Jeff, man. Just chipping away at it. $200 already in the pocket on the night. That's what's up, man. Nice work. Good stuff, 3D Print Labs. Yeah, it's super slow moving, like not huge pops and drops. Um, if you like slower moving action, the overnight session is by far, like if you're a channel player, the overnight session is by far some of the best trading you could have, but it does take longer. Just the other day, look, now that we're here on the live stream, look at this trade. This trade was the other day for me. This trade took 1 hour. Okay. And that's 1 hour from the moment I re-entered the trade, because I got short here and here got stopped out, re-shorted here, got stopped out a portion, not all of it, right here. When we rejected finally, which should have been the actual level I should have been shorting in front of instead of down here, I re-added to the position what I got stopped out here. I added it. Okay. I put a hard stop over this zone. I got up from my desk and I went over to the living room to watch TV with my wife. I put the hard stop and then I put a couple take profits, and one got booked right in here. And it just so happened that I walked into the room right when we were in this zone right here, right where we were in that zone right there. And my take had already happened and we were down here. I only had 2 contracts left, and I was up over $1,000 on them. And I was like, okay, well, we should probably get all the way down here to 400 zone. And I was ready to take one off under 420 and then hold on to one more for down here. Man, this SOB just turned around right here, stopped me out, still stopped me out for profit, but I didn't make nearly as much. I lost half because I was up about $1,000 here, and by the time I closed it here, it was $500 on those. But that trade right there took an hour. It was look right here. You can see my cursor right here. Let me see. I took the screenshot and my cursor was right there. It was 9:51 p.m. right on this 3-minute candle. These are all 3 or 5-minute candles. I don't remember what I was trading. Regardless, it doesn't matter. But it was a 1 hour long trade. Yo, ZH Low. He's 3D Print Labs. What's up, man? Congrats, dude. You're killing it. Hell yeah. Oh my god, you couldn't see my chart? Bro. That's some bull crap on my part. Freaking need a producer out here to click buttons and make this happen for me. Ah, now I gotta go over it all again. It's a good thing we got nothing but time. What? Look at who's in the house, Jono. He called me a noob. I'll let it slide, but I mean, honestly, this happens because you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. Alfred from Paris, what's up, my man? Far, far. If the shoe fits. All right, so I'll go over the trade again, guys. Here is my hour long. This was on the 30th. It was actually, the date is right here on, you can see it. October 30th. So I got short here, got stopped out, reshorted here and here. A portion of that position got stopped out there. When we rejected, I added back to the entire size, and I put a hard stop over the level. So you can see it all. Golly, this thing's huge. Hold on. There you go. So I put a hard stop over the level right in here. And I got up and I went to go watch TV with my wife. And then I came back an hour later. And this take profit got taken out. I held on to a portion. It was 2 lots that I had left, looking for more downside into 400. Didn't come. Stopped myself out right in here, and then went back to watching TV. $500 by the time I stopped out there. Boom, right through that 420, guys. Something must have happened here. Yep, indeed. Big lead right now. 137 Trump, 99 Harris. Market liked that a lot. Futures moving to the upside here. ES going up. NQ going up big time. So we're moving along. That's what's up, man. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to get up and come see my live. You saw that, NQ? Nice. Fungus TTV. That's what's up, man. $640. That wouldn't have been yapping from that other trade the other day showing you guys. Maybe I could have partaken in that one. Oh, well, we'll see. We might get another shot later. NQ testing a resistance zone here on the daily chart, which is this 2440 zone. Let me get a daily chart here on it. All right, so you see here you have this push right into the bottom of these two daily candles right in here. And then the top of this candle, wait, you can't see that one. The top of this candle right in here, which is also the bottom of this candle right in here, which is another daily candle. So it is a little bit of a minor resistance zone or potential resistance zone on the daily on the NQ. That's what's up, Fungus TTV, man. Build up those PAs. Old lines I had here on the chart. All right, switch back on over here to this 3-minute chart. Now, I'm going to be watching to see if this 420 zone wants to hold support on pullbacks. It's a little bit tight, but you could catch some bounces there. ES, huge 15-minute candle. Look at that thing from 40 all the way up there towards 60. 20 points on the ES. That's a big move on it. Oh, you have 442 drawn out as well? Nice. Yep, that's the level. I'm not jumping in short there because I'm not a maniac. Yeah, the ES has been moving nice and clean. The beast up $1,500, almost $1,600 on the night. Nice. Nice. Love to see it, guys. You guys are making money tonight, man. I have to jump in on some of this fun soon.
Pennsylvania, Wisconsin, and Michigan, that would give her the presidency as long as all of the 43 other non-battleground states and D.C. fall the way that they expect them to fall. You just gave us a lot of data. Here's what that means for our Electoral College tally. Right now, Harris is at 99, Trump at 177. Here is how the map is filling in. You see a lot of these states that we expected to go red, they're being called as soon as the polls are closing because the Associated Press knows that these are going to be reliably red. They're going to be dominated, really, by Republican voters. We see Texas going red, Oklahoma, Georgia, and let me just say that none of the battleground states have been called so far. Let's talk about Nebraska, because Nebraska is interesting. It's these little tiny dots here off to the corner. You see Nebraska has District 1,
we don't see
2, and
his
3.
screen.
Maine has a similar dynamic where their electoral votes, 2 of them go to the state at large, and then both of their congressional
NQ still
districts
ripping,
each
guys.
get 1 congressional vote each. So those 2 states, they operate a little bit differently than the rest of them. Ohio going red, and let's zoom in here because Ohio's interesting, Andrew. I mean, we've been following elections. Ohio used to be
Jonal, that is a hard no, good sir.
Not anymore. Look at the results. The AP, with just over 50% of the vote tallied, says that Trump's going to take this state with about a 9.
Yeah, Fungus TTV. Definitely waiting for the next one.
Over 50% of the vote counted. Ohio's interesting, not so much because of the presidency. We expected it to go that way. Let's switch over to our Senate map here, and let's look at how Sherrod Brown and Bernie Moreno's
Hey,
race
Jonah,
is going.
guess what?
So this is
You're
fascinating
fired.
because Moreno does have the edge.
Haven't had the
over
joy of doing
shady
that in a
incumbent
minute.
Democrat Sherrod Brown right now, but you see the difference. There's a lot less room between these two candidates than there was between Harris and Trump. Trump had a much more commanding lead at this point compared to Moreno over Sherrod Brown. This is one of those
fired you.
seats that will decide.
Where is Jerry?
In the upper
Never heard from him again,
You
man.
see there that over 1.5 million votes have been cast for Bernie Moreno.
I want to know where Jerry is. I want to know where Kevin is.
1.5 million
I
votes
haven't heard from
so
these
far
guys
have been
in
cast
forever.
For Sherrod Brown, as I've been
Kevin,
mentioning,
if you're watching,
both
Jerry, if
parties
you're
have been
watching,
sweating this race out.
send me a
lot of
text.
money has
I don't know if
been
Jerry has my number.
pouring into this race.
Comment in the
I'm
comment
curious to
section,
see if
in the
this
chat.
is the last true example of Ohio being
Chat
a
with chat.
battleground.
T-Ho,
Certainly looks like this
G-Shago.
race is a tight one, Andrew.
Yeah, that's right. Resources put into the Senate race.
See,
there,
Jonah,
in Ohio,
learn.
By Republicans and Democrats alike.
He's here to
and
watch
your
you.
point,
You
yes,
are
Ohio
the
has
person
been called
that people
for
want to
Donald
see, my
Trump.
man.
So
I
we just
told you
brought
to
a
start
lot
a
of race
channel
calls
again.
for Trump. We do have a race call as well, though, in a solidly blue state. That's the Empire State as well for Harris. Let's take a look at this. Harris getting New York's 28 electoral votes there. The Associated Press calling New York for Harris.
Yeah,
so
surprise,
we do want to bring into the
surprise, frickin'
conversation
New York.
as well. Tom LoBianco at 24 Site. Tom, bear with us here. We have a lot
I'm trying to
of
be as
live
PC as I
events,
can
going on
because
right
the
now. Let's stay in New York
Google
right
overlords
now.
welcomed me back
Democratic
into their
Senator out of New
flock.
York, Kirsten Gillibrand, she's speaking there at her watch party. Let's listen.
What can we do about that, Jono? You're the one that broke everything.
So kids can actually go to college free in exchange for public service.
Oh my God, there's nothing free. I'm just gonna shut her up because that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my life. So kids can go to freaking college free. That doesn't exist. There's nothing free. Free. They use the word free to cater to people who don't unfortunately know any better. Very little F's are given, but I gotta tread carefully these days, at least for a few more days. Got another video coming out tomorrow. I mean, I wouldn't be here streaming this and kind of insinuating who I want to win if it weren't so. Watching for the pullback into that 420 zone. I like the extension off of it. Now I want to see a pullback and reset into that zone. See if we can base out there. Look at it go. Wow, straight to 70. Straight to 70 there. That's quite the move. (9:21 p.m. already, guys. You got the NQ all the way up here towards 470, watching for pullbacks into 420 zone. See if they want to hold support. I'll probably consider a long there. How how is Bernie Sanders still? How do people still vote for that guy? That's crazy. Good stuff, Fungus TTV. Killing it, bro.
In Ohio, but we don't see that Moreno has the same sizable lead. He has a lead, but not that same sizable lead that Trump had. What do you make of that?
Well, it definitely looks like the Senate is going to be a Republican at the end of all this. That's the one thing think feel pretty confident about with some of these early race calls. So that's really important. But how Republican then? If Sherrod Brown's able to hold on,
We're kind of putting
then
in a little bit of a
then
top
that
there on that 470 zone on this 3-minute candle. ES 15-minute candle 58.70. Watch that 58.50 zone, see if it holds support on pullbacks, is probably what I would do on the ES. So far, nothing to write home about for me. Damn, I feel like I need a snack. Freaking hungry. Damn, no pullback yet on NQs. That 380 pullback was the money shot, guys. We've moved basically 100 points since then. It's basically been 100 points since we started the stream. There you go, 100 points now. Incredible. Incredible move. So we got 178 to 99 now. Another point over for Trump. That's probably when we got that pop there on the NQs. Another pop there over 480 on NQ. It just won't stop, guys. It won't pull back. There you go. 85's popping off now. Looks like we're well on the way to 500 now. Still got 98, 178 over on Google. It seems so, Blue Boy, if it can continue this way. It might exactly seem so, my man. Hopefully we don't go to sleep and wake up to some nonsense. Guys, 99 has been tapped here now. It's Not the only person at 99. 499 to be exact, being tapped here, that 500 level that we discussed. Watching now to see if we can get pullback somehow into 420. I think that might be wishful thinking on my part, to see if possibly I could get long in that 420 zone for bounces. Nice, Blue Boy. Yeah, there's definitely been some really nice opportunities. Right around the 2380 zone earlier this, when we started the stream, I wanted to get long there. I had some internet issues. Even the stream started to lag. My charts, I lost them. And by the time everything came back, we had just bounced off of 380. And then I said, okay, I'm going to wait. Maybe we'll reject 400 a little bit, pull back into 380. I can get long. Nah. Sucker just went straight up 100 points after that. That's exactly how I felt. Dow futures jumped 400 points. Russell 2000 futures climbed 2% as election results roll in. I said 400 points because up here, breaking news, it's exactly what we have. Market's liking it so far, guys. I mean, it's already 9:34 p.m. So I'm definitely going to chill here for at least another 30 minutes, maybe more. I don't know. We'll see. We're going to have volatility all night tonight. That's for sure. Guys, remember earlier I said that Apex, that 80% off deal and the $50 for the 250K, the 150K, the 300 or 350K accounts is still $50. That deal is still going on. It's not official, but I know it's going on because I bought a couple of accounts this afternoon, this evening actually. I bought a 50K account, which was only $30 something, and a 250K, which was only $50. And that deal's still going on, so take advantage of it. I don't know how much longer they're gonna have it on because it's not on the website. Like, it's not being marketed at all. I guess they just simply haven't updated it for whatever reason, but it's working, so make sure to take advantage of it. Links in the chat. So 480 area still holding support here. I mean, I guess we're not going to pull back at all, man. It looks like it's just going to keep pushing. This is a top resistance zone. I would expect some sort of pullback off of 500, but right now we're not shying away from it. We'll just keep bouncing right back into its face. There you go, through 500. Like, it ain't not a damn thing. Like, it's just not even there. ES pushing 70 again, trying to break it, struggling a tad there at 70, but it looks like it probably will just push right on through. These are 15-minute candles on the ES. There you go, new highs on the NQ. Wow, bro, all the way to 515 already, pushing 520 soon. That's crazy. No pullback on the NQ. My God, 30 is getting pushed now for sure. For sure, that means that we had something pop off. Look at that move, guys. Are you kidding me? Straight up. Insane pump. No, bro, you were long and just got out right before it. Oh man, that hurts. Dang. I'll be watching that 500 zone now for pullbacks to see if that is the area that wants to pull back and get tested and hold support. That was a big level on the daily chart, psychological level. We had about 12 minutes of resistance in that zone here after the initial jump through 420. So we'll watch and see if 500 wants to hold support on pullbacks, if we even get pullbacks. So if it just keeps on going. Look at this. Look at this hourly candle, guys. That is insane. Insane. Totally insane. My God, what a move. Insane, the beast. We started the stream, we were at 380. We've already tapped 570. Let's call it 580 because it's coming. That's crazy, bro. We've moved 200 points in what, an hour and a half? An hour and 10 minutes. We started the stream at 8:30. It's 9:40. All right, so maybe now we can finally get a pullback on this damn thing. Okay, cool. So those evaluations I bought actually came in through already. Thinking about doing one of those one and doners. With this volatility, we might just be able to get it done. Worth a try. But I gotta wait for some sort of setup. I wonder if that margin rule that just came out from Ninja today, if that will affect the evaluations, or if it's just affecting PAs, or if it even affects PAs. Well, we're gonna find out with an evaluation, that's for sure. (9:45 p.m.) Wow, Pennsylvania, he's catching up. Pennsylvania's never been that. That's pretty damn close for Pennsylvania. Looking like 600 is going to be imminent on this. Hoping we get pullback though on it first. I wasn't watching. Jeff, is that your guy for your state? I wasn't watching. I was looking at the chart. Oh, okay. That right there, you know what that is?
Bullshit. A bullshit. A bullshit. Bullshit.
That's what that is. Oh, that's wild, Jeff. That's crazy, man. All right, you're getting a push into 70s, over 70s on the NQ. All right, we're at 73. Waiting to see, man, if we can get a little pullback here. Try to ride a little eval. $9:50 p.m. already, guys. Okay, so we could probably expect the next move in about 12 minutes because Arizona and Nevada will be expected to show results at that time at 10 p.m. So it's going to be an interesting time here. We've reached 581 now on the NQ. Bit of a resistance zone on the daily chart. Yes, you read my mind. Exactly. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. We're still hanging out up there over 50. I'd like to see a pullback underneath 50. Come on. We can get one pullback here. Let's throw up a little trade. I just might call it a day or a night after 10 o'clock. 8 minutes till Arizona and Nevada come on out with results. 8 more minutes. Trump leading 188 to 99. Arizona and Nevada coming out at 10. NQ hitting a bit of a resistance zone up here at 81. Maybe we'll get a pullback off that level. You got the ES pulling away a little bit from 82. Watch and see if 60 can hold support. Yeah, the beast so far. Complete annihilation. Unless some mystery box with votes comes out at 1 a.m. or some bull crap. A mystery box. Georgia should have been called hours ago, but apparently there was some sort of issue Jeff was talking about earlier. It feels like it should have been called hours ago anyways. Six minutes to 10, guys. 6 minutes to 10. I'd imagine. Yo, but rightfully so, honestly. Oh, man. And imagine my dude just sitting there like, I told you, dumbass. Oh, crap. Bro, this thing won't pull back. All right, we got 4 minutes left to 10, guys. Look, my guy's gonna come out like this. Watch.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, commander of the armies of the North, general of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true emperor, Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next.
That's how I'd be feeling if I were him. Still trading sideways there. Thank you, the beast. Pretty chill one tonight. right, 3 minutes. So we're just gonna chill up there. I would hate to just see it break right on through, man. Oh, we're breaking out. Breaking out right over 80 right now. Still 3 minutes left to 10. Yo, I love this new camera. Sucker just follows me. What's up? Just follows me everywhere. Guys, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. Remember, helps out tremendously. Pushing up over 84 now. Popping off at 84.75. 85 going off now. 2 minutes to these results from Arizona and Nevada. And we're pushing new highs here. On the way to 600. It's clear, right? I like it a lot, man. This little camera. This thing is wild. It's so tiny. It's the what is it? Obsbot Mini or Tiny 2. Obsbot Tiny 2. Thing's really good. All right, guys, 1 minute. Actually, a few seconds probably. I'd imagine we'll tear through 600 once those results come out. I'd imagine. Here, it's this one. It's super small. It's a really small webcam. But it's really good. Like, it's powerful. Like, it replaced... this camera. This used to be in my face, boom, all the time. Now it's a tiny little camera this big. Pushing 90s now, guys. Results should be coming out here. Still nothing. Results expected soon. Pushing 96.50. 98, 99's going off. Straight through 600 now. Look at this thing go, guys. I'm going. Arizona and Nevada still not in, but we do have, if I'm not mistaken, New Mexico just came out. Got 198 to 99. The ass whooping of the century right now. You got room here over 600 towards the mid 670s, 650s, 650 to 670 rather easy. Wow, Jeff, that's crazy. Yeah, there you go, Beast. 658. There's a lot of room here. Watching for pullbacks. Still have yet to come. All right, Arizona going seemingly red. Nevada still pending. Wisconsin as well with 35% reporting. That's causing that pump here on the NQs and I'm sure on the ES as well. There you go, the ES ripping face. Ripping face. Look at that 15-minute chart on the ES, guys. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. ES 15-minute chart. Beautiful looking chart. Ah, 10:03 p.m. This thing's still pushing, man. No pullback. No pullback. Nice. Good job on that long, the beast. There's just no pullbacks. What? Wow, bro. Nice job. Nice job. Oh, you're still long it? Nice work. That's awesome. Damn, that's the biggest red candle I've seen in a minute. That's the biggest 3-minute red candle I've seen in a minute. Yeah, I don't blame you. If that 600 level holds support, you could see some bounces. Nevada's still not coming in. Seems sus. Going down there towards the 600 zone on the NQ. Maybe. 15-minute and hourly charter. An hourly charter just insane right now. That 600 zone, pretty important. Pretty important little level. Breaking under 600 right now. Still same 99, 90, 198. All right, 600 level, trying to hold support. We could see bounces off that level if it can hold support. Very important level right now for if this run wants to continue pushing, or at the minimum consolidates in that zone. That 600 zone has to hold support. And you have to just see if you can get bounces off that level.
For the ones who get it done, the most important part is the one you need now, and the best partner is the one who can deliver. That's why millions of maintenance and repair pros trust Grainger, because we have professional grade
Still
supplies
pulling away
for
from
every
that zone.
industry, even hard to find products.
The market's trying to cool off here a little bit. Port next level here is this 60. That 60 zone has to hold support. Otherwise, you'll probably get a really nasty pullback. All right, so you got 109 now over on Harris. And we're still pulling back here some. We tried to hold that 60 zone. Gonna give it another few minutes and then I'm gonna call it a night. If 600 continues to hold resistance, you could see that drop back into that 550, the 560 zone, but only if that 600 zone holds resistance. So you're back up over 600 now. It's quite the bounce. Crazy, weird wiki 15-minute candle we're gonna get here. All right, guys. So Nevada's still not in. Got the NQs now pulling itself back away from that 640 zone. We still have 109 to 198. Trump in the lead. We might now finally start to get a little bit of consolidation, and maybe we do a bit of a channel. I think that's possible. That's awesome, Jeff. All right, guys. I'm going to get going. I will be in the Discord tomorrow in the morning. Discord is free for anybody that's on here has never been on the Discord. Here you go. Links in chat. Thank you guys very much for hanging out today with me. And keep it green. Try not to lose any money tonight. I expect it to be extremely volatile out there. Any questions, reach out via the Discord. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.